Hi guys, I'm West African Baby, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do one of my favorite go-to summer hairstyles. It's an amazing protective style for 4C hair. You can wear it to so many different places, and I'm going to be using my favorite Uncle Funky's Daughter products to achieve this style. So without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, I'm West African Baby, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my summer go-to style for my 4C hair. I'm going to be taking you guys through my wash process, deep conditioning, styling, the entire thing. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, you want to start on clean hair. So my hair is freshly washed and I use the Rich and Funky moisturizing cleanser. You can get that online. Next, I'm going to be taking the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. This is what I always do after I wash my hair. It's a very intensive moisturizing hair mask that just restores all the goodness and nutrients to your hair. It contains seal protein, avocado, baobab oils, and it's good for all textures of hair. My hair loves this stuff. I apply a very generous amount. And I basically just massage it into my strands, and your hair feels instantly soft as you apply this thing. It also contains aloe vera, soybean oil, grape, argan oil, avocado oil, olive oil, rosemary. So as you can see, it has a lot of really nice ingredients that help to really condition your hair, especially after washing. Since we're in the summer, you always want to make sure that your hair is nice and conditioned because it can get really hot in some places. So any extra protection is definitely needed. I'm gonna come up close so that you guys will see how this conditioner looks in my hair. It just gives my hair so much moisture. My hair looks very healthy. So this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, it also gives my hair a little nice shine. That's because of the oils that are contained in the conditioner. My hair just feels amazing. I love looking at my hair like this. As you can see, I work in sections and I also have my hair in loose twists. It just helps me keep everything organized, and it also helps to reduce breakage and tangles. So after I'm done with one section, I move on to the other section. This conditioner also makes it super easy to finger detangle. So if you're like me and you don't like using combs and brushes, you will definitely love this. It just helps the shed hair glide out of your hair so much easier. And it also has this minty, tingly feeling on your scalp, which I love because it helps to circulate blood flow, which also helps to stimulate hair growth. So yeah, this is one of my favorite deep conditioners that I always use. So after I'm done, I'm just gonna pull my hair up and tie it with a plastic bag and let it sit for a while. Sometimes I use a heating cap just to let it penetrate more into my strands, and then when I'm done, I just simply rinse it out. So this is what my hair is looking like before I rinse out the deep conditioner. My hair feels so soft and conditioned. So now I'm just rinsing everything out, going section by section. I always work in sections, and as you can see, keeping my hair in loose twists just helps me keep everything organized. Less tangles, less breakage. And your hair still feels very soft even after you wash the conditioner out. Okay, so now time for styling. I'm going to be applying the Thirsty Curl Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. Now, Uncle Funky's Daughter has other leave-in conditioners. There's also one that's Midnight Train. That's also another spray leave-in. But recently, my hair has really been liking Thirsty Curl, so I've been using this as my leave-in. It contains really nice ingredients like coconut milk, chamomile, sage, rosemary, and also sodium hyaluronate, which is a great humectant. Next, I'm going to be taking Supercurl. Now, if you know me, you know this is one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. It is a super intense moisturizing cream. Amazing for 4C hair, amazing, especially if you have low porosity hair, because it just soaks into your hair. It contains soybean oil, coconut oil, honey, and which is an amazing humectant, shea butter, olive oil, aloe vera, sweet almond. The ingredients list just screams healthy hair. Next, I'm going to be taking extra butter, which is also a moisturizing cream, but it's on the thicker side. I like to mix Supercurl and extra butter together because I just feel like it gives my hair that extra moisture. Extra butter, as the name implies, is a butter, so I always put it on last because it's thick and it seals in all the moisture from all the products I put before it. It also has amazing ingredients as well: palm kernel oil, coconut oil, glycerin, another amazing humectant, shea butter, aloe vera, macadamia. So as you can see, really nice ingredients in this one too. And this one I'd recommend it more for people that have high porosity 4C hair. Since it's thicker, it's just going to keep in moisture in your hair. So now that I'm done moisturizing, I'm going to start doing my sections. For this style, we're going to be doing bantu knots in front, 4 bantu knots in front, and loose twists at the back. Loose twists are my favorite summer protective style. You can do so many different styles with loose twists. They are very versatile, and yeah, they work on any hair thickness. Because of the way loose twists are done, they always give you the illusion of volume. So even if your hair is on the finer or the thinner side, loose twists will still work for you. So as you can see, I've done my first bantu knot, and if you notice, my hair has a really nice shine. That's from Supercurl. Supercurl gives you amazing shine in your hair in addition to moisture. So for the sides, I'm going to be doing flat twists coming forward. I'm doing one on one side. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Another thing I love about doing loose twists is that they are a great protective style for 4C hair. I'm very big on doing low manipulation styles for 4C hair. That is how you retain a lot of length in your hair, and that is how you keep your hair protected, reduce breakage, reduce shedding, reduce single strand knots. Once your hair is in the loose twist, you can wear them for up to 2 weeks till your next wash day, so you don't have to keep touching your hair. You can also use different things to accessorize. I love to use beads, gold cuffs, gold jewelry in my hair. It just makes the style look much nicer. I'm going to show you guys how to bead in this video as well. So yeah, loose twists are definitely a go-to summer hairstyle for me. I actually wear loose twists all around the year, to be honest. They just work for me. And also, you can definitely add in some extra hair if you want more volume. So it just depends on how you want it. So I'm just finishing up my bantu knots. As you can see, these are my 4 bantu knots. See how shiny, really nice, healthy shine in my hair. Now I'm going to be moisturizing the twist at the back. So I'm just spraying Thirsty Curl. My hair is still damp. I remember we just finished washing and deep conditioning, so my hair is still damp. I'm spraying Thirsty Curl. Next, I'm going to be taking Supercurl and applying that as well. Then last but not least, I'm going to be putting extra butter on top, same way I moisturize the front of my hair. And another good thing about Supercurl is that a lot of times when you use moisturizers, when you're moisturizing your hair, like if you're using the lock method or the LCO method, there is an oil step. So either you do leave in your cream or your moisturizing butter and then an oil on top, or you do the leave in an oil before you do the cream. But if you're using Supercurl and extra butter together, you don't really need an extra oil step, because Supercurl is formulated with a lot of really nice oils that help to condition your hair, and you actually see it in the shine of your hair and how your hair feels. So that is one of the main reasons why I like to mix Supercurl and extra butter together. So after moisturizing, I just simply go ahead and retwist to refresh my twist. And I'm just going to do that for the entire back. Now, how you do it loose twist is very basic and straightforward. You do it like a regular twist, just that you twist the roots and the ends firmly, but the main body of the twist, you twist it loose. So you twist the ends and the roots tight, then the body, you twist it loosely. That is how you do a loose twist. It's very straightforward. Okay, so now I'm done doing that whole side. This is what my twists are looking like. Very nice and chunky. And like I said, loose twist always gives you the illusion of more volume. So if you have fine hair, definitely try doing loose twists as opposed to regular twists. So I did the other side, and this is what my final twist look like. This is the back. So now we're gonna go ahead to beading the twist. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and done most of my beads. I'm just going to show you what I do with the sections that I have left. So this is a beader, the white beader. It comes in every pack of beads, and you just basically slide your beads onto the beader, and then you pass your hair, the ends of your hair, through the center of the beader, pass it through the hole, and you just push the beads onto your hair. Very simple, very straightforward. Every pack of beads comes with 1 beader. I have about 4 beaders because I have like 4 different packs. So that is what you do. You just pass your hair through the beader, slide on the cuff or the bead or whatever, and just wrap your hair around the last bead to secure it. So you wrap your hair around the last bead to secure it, and that is it. That is it. Very straightforward. So that is basically how you do this summer style. All the products I use, you can definitely get them online at unclefunky'sdaughter.com or at your local Target. If you shop online, make sure to use my code WestAfricanBaby for 15% off. Uncle Funky's daughter also has a travel size kit that contains a lot of the products I use in this video. It contains Supercurl, Extra Butter, Midnight Train, the leave-in conditioner, Curly Magic. So if you're new to using Uncle Funky's daughter products and you just want to test it out, I'd advise you get the travel size kit just to see how it works on your hair. Stay tuned to the end of this video for more info on how to get all of the products I use to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope the tutorial was easy for you guys to follow. Loose twists are one of my staple styles. Everybody that knows me knows that. They look amazing on my hair type and they're just an amazing protective style and they're perfect for the summer. You can do so many different styles with loose twists. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at West African Baby so you can see more of my loose twist styles on my page. And also don't forget to follow Uncle Funky's daughter and check out all the amazing products online at unclefunkysdaughter.com. You can use my code West African Baby for 15% off online. Also, you can definitely pick up these amazing products at Target. So that's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.